Bitcoin surged to $77,000 after U.S. President Donald Trump indicated significant progress toward a peace deal with Iran. The market had been under pressure for several days due to fears that a deal might not materialize, leading to increased selling in the crypto space. Trump's recent statements, however, shifted the narrative. He announced that his administration had a very good call with leaders from Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Qatar, Pakistan, Turkey, Egypt, Jordan, and Bahrain regarding a memorandum of understanding related to peace with Iran. He also mentioned that an agreement had been largely negotiated and is now in the final stages of being finalized. This news came after earlier reports suggested the U.S. was preparing for potential military action, which had contributed to a bearish sentiment in the market. Bitcoin quickly erased most of its recent losses and climbed to a new level, signaling a strong market reaction to the geopolitics. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Shift. The peace deal is expected to involve multiple regional actors and could include the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz, a critical shipping route. However, uncertainty remains as reports from Iran contradict some of Trump's claims, with Iran's Fars news agency suggesting that Trump's statements might be promotional in nature. Despite conflicting signals, the market has already reacted positively to the news, and Bitcoin's price movement reflects the optimism among investors. The stakes are high, as a successful peace deal could lead to a broader easing of tensions in the region, which would likely have a positive ripple effect across global markets. Investors are now closely watching for further updates on the status of the negotiations and whether the deal will be officially announced. If the deal is confirmed, it could lead to a broader market rally, not just in crypto, but across asset classes. On the flip side, if the deal fails to materialize or is delayed, we could see renewed volatility in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The next key signal to watch is whether Trump or Iranian officials provide a definitive confirmation of the agreement's progress. Until then, the market will remain sensitive to any new developments surrounding the peace talks. The recent price movement also highlights how closely tied the crypto market is to global geopolitical events. As such, investors should be prepared for. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Continued fluctuations based on news from the U.S.-Iran negotiations. The Strait of Hormuz is a key point in these discussions, and its reopening would be a major step towards stabilizing the region. However, the finalization of the deal is still pending, and there are no guarantees at this stage. For now, Bitcoin's price has responded to the news, but the market is still waiting for more concrete developments before forming a clearer picture of the deal's implications.